In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the video recording resolution on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. When it comes to capturing video on your device, whether it's a smartphone or a digital camera, understanding how to navigate your settings is crucial to achieving the best results. To begin, open your camera app and navigate to the settings menu. The exact steps may vary depending on your device, but typically you can access the settings by tapping the settings icon or swiping from the edge of your screen. Look for a camera option within the settings menu. Once you're in the camera settings, you'll find an option to choose the type of video you want to record. Common options include Record Video, Record Slow-Mo, and Record Cinematic. Each of these modes has its unique characteristics. Video mode is for standard recording. Slow-Mo enables you to capture high frame rate slow-motion footage, and Cinematic mode often enhances the visual quality of your videos with specific effects. After selecting the video type, you can proceed to choose the video resolution, like 1080p at 30 fps or 4K at 60 fps. Video resolution refers to the level of detail in your video, typically measured in pixels. Higher resolutions result in sharper and more detailed footage, but they also require more storage space. Higher resolutions are excellent for professional or high-quality content, while lower resolutions can save storage space and work well for casual videos. Experiment with different settings to find the best combination that suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.